my beauties. So today's video is how to buy baby clothes with your link card. Yes honey, your link, food stamp, EBT card, whatever you call it. That's what we finna buy some Pampers with. I'm sorry, not Pampers, baby clothes. So this young lady, let me just talk about something real quick before I get into her situation. I had a lot of mixed reviews on my last I would say 3 videos, because I did 3 videos in one. Some of them was good and some of them was, well, bad. Nobody likes when, well, first of all, the title of the video kind of throws people off, but once they see the video, they can see that I'm not actually selling a link card. I'm not like doing anything wrong, but buying groceries is what you're supposed to do with a link card. Let's just start there. What I do is show people how to flip that money and do something that they can't do, or they're having hard times, you know, at the time. Maybe they can't buy Pampers, milk, whatever it is. Because I remember at a time when I was hard. I was a young mother and it was hard for me. And I wish I would have knew the things I know now, since I'm not ever gonna have another baby again, I don't think. I just want to show like my young mothers, baby daddies, baby mamas, what I know. So all I want to do is help people. That's all. I'm not trying to scheme the government, nothing like that. You won't understand unless you see the video. A lot of people that had negative comments, they just were going by what the title said. They wasn't even going by like the video. You know, again, the video is how to buy Pampers with your link card. Make sure you watch that video first. You won't understand any of these videos I put up unless you watch those 3 videos, the part 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you watch all 3 videos, okay? Not end up going to a domestic abuse shelter. It was a lot of young mothers in there and they didn't know which way to go. They just didn't know which way to go, and I wish I could have helped them, but I couldn't figure out how to help them. So I figured YouTube is the way to help people. You know, YouTube help people. So I figured let me put some videos up showing my young mothers how to get over the hump until they get to a better place, you know. So that's what I'm showing. If right now all you got is an EBT card, then I'm showing you how to use that EBT card to also purchase other things, you know. And I have this is just going to be a series. So this is the 2nd video in this series. I'm showing you how to get baby clothes with the link card. All right, let's get on with the video. Okay, now that that's out the way, honey, it's time for us to buy some baby clothes. This young lady, she inboxed me and she asked me, could I help her use her EBT card to get baby clothes. At first I was like, honey, watch the video. But then she was like, she understands the video, but is any way that I can like actually do hands-on with her? So of course I was like, girl, come on, let's go. So she's in her car, I'm in my car. And in this next scene, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to buy from Walmart. Okay, I'm at Walmart. It's time to get our items from Walmart, and then we on the way to get some baby clothes for this little baby, honey. She got a girl, and honey, we finna go and get the cutest baby clothes we can with what we got. So we on the way to, I'm gonna go into I'm going into Walmart to get the items on our list. After we go into Walmart, we probably gonna go either Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ross. We gonna go one of the places. Ross got the cheapest clothes, so we might go to Ross, so we can get more for our $50 gift card that we should be getting, or 40. It's either gonna be 50 or 40. I ain't sure, but so we're on our way into Walmart to get the items. Hopefully they got everything here, and then from there we'll be going to get these baby clothes, honey. Let's go. Let's just get one banana. Our eggs, and we got our shredded cheese from Dollar Tree already. So now I'm gonna go into the frozen aisle to get the good section. Here we have our first item. We have the real enchiladas. Here's my items for this lady. She said she's a vegetarian, so she likes picking up Morningstar products. So that's the cheeseburger, the popcorn chicken, and the original chicken patties. For the kids, she got the real good enchilada, the mango pops. She got her one banana, her real good poppers for the kids, and her cheese and uncured bacon for the kids. So this is what the cart looks like. I got 10 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus my eggs and my cheese from the Dollar Tree. That makes 10 different items. And I will get back $20 on Ibotta along with my $20 bonus. So that's what she's gonna get back. Alright, once I check out, we'll be to the car and we're gonna upload the receipt. Okay, so this is her total, $45.51. Now she's gonna pay with her link card. Okay, so we're out of Walmart. This is her receipt. I see it's like the register was running out of ink, but you can see I got the popcorn chicken, the Morningstar popcorn chicken, the Morningstar chicken patties, the Morningstar cheeseburger, the real good enchiladas, 2 boxes of them, a banana, popsicles, the real good poppers, the jalapeno poppers, or I think they was pepperoni poppers, and a piece of snacks. So all that came up to $44.51. Now it's time to scan a QR code. So let's scan a QR code. Okay, we got 11 match offers. We got the Morningstar, all the Morningstar. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do this with my iPad and stuff. The Morningstar, the real good pizza snacks, the real good food poppers, the popsicles, the bananas, the real good foods, and any item grocery receipt. So I got back a total of $22.75, 11 offers. So that means that I already redeemed my 10 offers for the welcome bonus, plus I reached over $20 to be able to cash out for Ibotta. You gotta at least get to $20. So I'm at $22.75. So we're gonna get a total of $42.75. $42.75 is what we're gonna get back. $20 for the welcome bonus and $22 for cashing out with Ibotta. This is what I got. I just want to make sure you all can see it. And again, all these items were really easy to find in Walmart. All right, so once you make sure all your items that you bought are verified, and then you hit the collect $22 for 11 offers, and they're sending a receipt. It's asking me if I'm enjoying using Ibotta. Of course. You all are giving me back money. I give them 5 stars. Write a review. Not right now. I just gave my money. All right, so then once you hit done, I'm pending $42.75 is my total that's pending. Let's go, honey. Who better than me? Who better than Beauty Passion, honey? I got y'all, baby mamas and baby daddies. I got y'all. Don't worry about it. We knocked off Pampers. Now we finna knock off baby clothes, honey. We got y'all. All right, I got y'all. If nobody else got y'all, I got y'all. Okay, so this is how it all panned out. The last scene, you seen that we bought $45 worth of stuff. Her earnings were $42.75. Okay. About 10 minutes later, everything went through. She had her $42.75. It came out of pending and went into a regular in her regular account, just like it did for the Pampers. Remember, it was time for us to purchase the gift cards, but she decided that she wanted to actually send the money to her PayPal account because she wanted to go to this place called Rainbow. Now, Rainbow is a clothing store in Chicago. Everybody that live in Chicago, a woman, a young woman, they know about Rainbow. So she said she wanted to take her $42.75 and go there. Unfortunately, there's no Rainbow gift cards on Ibotta's website. So she decided to send the money to her PayPal account. And then she linked her debit card, her bank account, and then she was able to send the money there to her bank account. So she got $42.75 in her bank account to go get baby clothes from Rainbow or to whatever she want with it. But she got $42.75. She said she needed baby clothes. Okay, so for you all, I'm going to show you how to do that because I didn't show you in the last video how to link your PayPal account up to, well, the app. So I'm gonna show you how to do it in this next upcoming scene, and then that way you can decide if you want to purchase the gift cards or you want to send it to your bank account. The first step you need to do is actually go to PayPal and sign up for one of their PayPal accounts. Once you sign up for their PayPal account, then you can link your bank account to the PayPal account. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in this next scene. Okay, I just want to show y'all how to link your PayPal account. So once you go into withdraw cash, when you scroll down, if you have any cash available, you're going to be able to pick your gift cards. We already know how to do that. I showed you how to do that. But with the PayPal, you have to link your PayPal account. So you got to link that account. You got to verify your phone number. So once you verify your phone number, they're going to send a verification to the number that you signed up with. Hold on, let me put my number in. I don't want y'all to see that. Hold on. Okay, once you put the number in, they're going to verify. Just like when you get the gift cards, the same way. So they're going to text you a verification code. Make sure you enter that verification code. Let me give mine and enter. Put your verification code in. You got to hit verify. And it said device is verified. From there, it's going to ask you to verify your email address. So you got to either reset it if you don't know how to get in it, or you got to resend the email, or they already sent the email to it. So once you get that far, you just got to verify your email address. Okay, so now once you verify your email address, then the next step they're going to do, they're going to bring you back to this screen. Again, I don't want to put my PayPal stuff in here, so I'm just going to talk through this. They're going to bring you back to the screen. They're going to ask you what your PayPal email address is. Once you put that in, they're going to link your account. Now, once you withdraw money, you're going to have to verify funds that are going to be deposited into your PayPal account. Let me take that back. Once you link your PayPal account and you withdraw money, that's where they're going to send it to. For PayPal to send it to your debit account, you're going to have to verify a deposit. They're going to deposit a small amount of money, like a penny or two, into your bank account. Once you verify that, you've linked your debit card if you don't have that link to your PayPal. Once you have that link to your PayPal, then you're able to send the money that Ibotta sends to your PayPal account to your debit account. That's how it goes. Okay? So that's how you withdraw cash through your PayPal. It's really simple. Once you get that, you can take the money and put it in your bank account. So again, if she would have got a gift card, we was on our way to TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, but again, she decided to go another way with it. So that's what you need to do. If you want to buy baby clothes, I suggest you go to one of those stores. That gift card is for all 3 of those stores. So if you can't find nothing at TJ Maxx, go to Marshalls, go to Ross. Ross is probably a good place too. She was able to send $42.75 to her bank account. If she would have got the gift card, she would only been able to get 2 $20 gift cards. So I guess she would have lost out on $2.75. So it probably was the best thing to do, send it to her PayPal account. Okay. All right. So that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are in the Chicagoland area and you need me to help you do this thing too, or show you how to do it, just inbox me. Share this video with somebody you know that's struggling, has an EBT card, or don't even know if you possibly has an EBT card, and let them know, you know, share this video so they can see how to do it on their own. If they need help, tell them to hit me up, and if I have time, I'll show them how to do it also. Okay. All right, I'm here to show y'all how to do it. If you need help, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Heck, you know, Joe. Beauty Passion, and I'm out.